Good morning, Pisces. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oof, it's cold. Damn, it's like 4:40 in the morning. But Spirit's testing you, so you better get up and do what you gotta do. That's what God said. Get your ass up, girl. I said, all right now. All right. I hope everybody, I know you're probably sleeping, but oh my God, it is so cold. Pisces. Ooh. I hope everybody is having a beautiful dream because I know y'all sleeping by now. But I pray for each and every one of us for our health, for our happiness, more than anything for health and happiness. That we woke up this morning feeling happy. And whatever you're going through, Pisces, all it is a test. You're being tested. Keep moving forward. Don't worry, please. Don't let people stress you out. Situations. Every human being in the world has a situation, okay? If you don't have a situation, you ain't normal, all right? I just want to invite everybody to my Zoom. And it says, Rock the Block Party. All signs are invited. 6 o'clock every Saturday. Please, cross watchers, come on in and join us. Boy, I'll tell you, it's really nice. Why don't you try it? At the bottom, I'm going to be writing in the description, everything you need to know to be there, okay, with the link and everything. Please give me a try. Check it out. You'll like it. Okay? Oh my God, it's so cold. It's not even funny. I'm half sleepy. I'm get my little ass up and wake up. Okay, my oils. Pisces, thank you for all those who like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all those who donate and get private readings. Thank you for all those who go to my web and purchase my items. And last night, before I went to bed, something just made me do my candles. All right, this is the candle. And this is, I don't love all this, but no. This is for self-love candle, okay? Self-love candle. And let me tell you something. You got to start doing this. To hell, stop thinking about, oh, it's this and that and this. We always got situations with people and all this crap. But this is a self-love candle. Self-respect, everything about you. This is about you. Light the candle for you, for your life, for your happiness, for your abundance, for your everything. Treat yourself like you are the only one standing on this planet. Please, treat yourself. Self-love candle. It's important that you start doing things for yourself. And I put all the everything, blessings from the Lord, blessings from everyone. That candle is self-love candle. Get into lighting up candles for yourself. This is also the other candle. This is one of my biggest sellers. This is the black walnut candles, the spell breaker candle, the candle that you take a bath with the black walnut and you light this candle and take these ritual baths. Today is a full moon. Write a letter and burn it and send it to the universe. Do whatever you do. I don't know what you do. But this here goes along with that bath and it smells so good. And to me, the main thing is to get to know what is these candles. What are you doing? I mean, come on now, get it right. This is the abundance candle, and this is the one I light up because for a minute there, we go through things and then we don't know what's going on. But everybody in the world goes through everything. We're not the only ones out there going through things. The world is going through it. Okay, but you got to start somewhere. Start learning how to do your rituals. Start taking your salt bath. Start meditating. Start taking walks. Learn how to breathe in and breathe out. Okay? Exercise. Get your sleep. All right? Get involved with yourself and stop. If you put all the effort that you put into everybody into yourself, you'll be doing wonderful, okay? A shout out to April. I love you, girl. I wanted to tell y'all something. I did a reading for Miss April, and I never laughed so hard in my life. That girl is crazy. I want to continue to send you shout outs, girl. It's like you are the truth. The truth. You are the realest. I want to send out a shout out to Wanda. Wanda's a follower of mine that's been with me since day one, and Miss Renee. Oh my God, I love you all. Tamia, just don't let nothing. God is testing you. That's all. This is a test. A lot of us, are going through a lot of tests, and this is like. You're like, come on, you got a little bit more steps to go. It ain't that much. You're getting there, baby. Stop it. Don't let nobody stop your growth. Be kind to people. Even if they nasty, you be kind to them. All right. Look at yourself like this here. Look at yourself like you are a sage. And sage, this is you saging everything around you. Sage, baby, I sage this in the name of Jesus, the Father and Son and the Holy Spirit. I sage this for all those who are watching me. And I don't know where you at in your head with me or just watching this, where you are at in your head, but wherever it is, I'm saging this so that whatever it is that you're going through, you can come out of. Okay, I send you this. This is a general reading. This is not a personal reading. It's a general. Take what fits you and let the rest sit there, okay? Don't take, if it ain't for you at all, just don't take it. All right, look at that baby burn. That's right. And this is my homemade sage with my oils, with my essence to you. Happy birthday to all the Aquarius. Aquarius, I'm sending you birthday shout outs. And you only got what? A couple more days. I don't know, today's 16. 2 more days, and then we stepping into Pisces. Man, shit's getting ready. Ooh, yeah. I wish I could make all this noise, but I don't want to wake up my dogs. Okay, that little boy is crazy. My little fat boy. Fat boy. You know who Fat Boy is? Fat Boy is JoJo. I love that little boy. All right, Pisces, here we go. Let's find out what it's all about. Let us know what is this reading. Oh, shoot. Wait a minute. It says sing, honey. Somebody's listening to music, playing a lot of music. All right, come on. Tell Pisces what they need. No, spirits. One card, spirit. Give me one card, spirit. One card. Come on, Pisces. You can do this. You can do this, Pisces. Get that peace of mind, Pisces. Get your thoughts right, Pisces. You can do this. You're almost there, Pisces. Don't give up now. You went too far to give up now, honey. You can't give up now. You can do this, Pisces. It has a woman and a man. And a woman and a man look like the truth here. The king and the queen. Damn it. Answer the call. God is asking you to do something. Let me tell you something. This look like a king of swords and the queen of swords. Like you are ready. You're answering a call. God is calling you to do something. And you can't stop, damn it. You got to keep going. Exploring, traveling, lives. It says explore, traveled, lives. Answer the call. Explore, travel, and cause. You are traveling. You are traveling. You are exploring life. You are traveling. You living your life to the fullest. Pisces, the universe wants you to give yourself permission to live your life to the damn fullest. Explore this new world that you are walking into. Travel. It's a lot of traveling, like moving around, going. You're going to be traveling your ass off. You are exploring this new life. It's scary because nobody said it wasn't scary. Yes, you upset. Yes, you're leaving people that you love behind. Yes, you're moving different places. Actually, some of us are moving to different places, islands. But you must live your life and don't worry what is left behind, because that's what it's about. You came in this world alone and you're going to leave alone. You must understand. It's so much out there for you, and God wants you to have it all. Your life will change, and it's changing. It's like if you look at yourself right now where you was 6 months ago, you would never believe it. You would never believe where you're at. Pisces, for the Pisces that are coming in now, everybody's on different level in their lives. But for the Pisces that are coming in that are really, really don't understand what's going on with their lives, how they moving, how things are unwrapping. Honey, life is beautiful, and you cannot allow nothing to stop you. You allowed this for so many years. Jobs, people, places, things from stopping you. They stop you enough. It's time to explore. It says answer your damn call. Answer your call, because God is calling you to answer your call. The universe is working on your end. They calling you. They calling you. Wake up. Come on now, wake up. They testing you. They doing a lot of work on you. You must answer your call. You cannot be left behind. Left behind means stuck in this life that you've been living so long. You've been there too long. You've been there a little bit too long. Get out of there. Get out of there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Again, I'm going to say yes. And I'm telling you, it keeps telling me to tell you this. Yes, it's scary. Because you never felt this. You never been there. You never been so sure of yourself. And self-confidence is scared because you never been there. Some of y'all are experiencing love like you never had in your life. But you're being tested. Saying, in order to get here, you got to leave all of that behind. You cannot move on if you continue to live your past and your life in the past that didn't serve you. And you know it because it was a constant reminder. It doesn't matter whether you marry. It doesn't matter whether you live with somebody. It doesn't matter whether you dating somebody. It doesn't matter. None of that matters. You're being tested. Or your belief towards the universe, towards God. He's calling you. Honey, God is on it. He's on it. He's on there with you. He's testing you. He's letting you know it. It's in your dreams. You feel it. You know it. You see it. People are telling you this. It's in your vision. It's coming in signs. Come on. Get prepared. And you're going through it right now. It's all right. Yesterday you cried because of whatever. The night before. You experiencing things you don't understand it. But remember, everything you experienced, you was there. Everything that you experienced in front of you, you was that. You was there. You was there before. You've been there too long. It's time for you to answer your calls. It's time for you to explore this new world that is yours. It's yours. You didn't just come here for nothing. You came here for something, and you need to understand it's your time to get out of where you at and move on. It's all right, my love. Listen, it's me too. It's just like you. It's me, you. The world needs to know where you stand. It's your call. God is calling you to explore the new world, to travel the world. Some people ain't never been on planes. Some people have never been nowhere. Travel. Don't be afraid. Don't put no limitations on your life. Life is unlimited. There ain't no limit to the things that life can bring you when you believe, when you answer the call. And that's what it said. You're going to meet somebody that's just like you. Look at you. Look at y'all looking the same direction. Both of y'all ready. Look at what y'all leaving behind. It's like y'all in, everybody ain't supposed to be on this boat. Look how calm the water is. Y'all both are looking at the same freaking thing. How far you come. What you left behind is supposed to be right back there where you see it. Where you don't even see it because you ain't even looking back towards it. You looking in front of you. These people are warriors. The person that you are meant to be with is a warrior. He is a king. He's not a king acting like a page. He's a freaking king, damn it. Whether you are a male Pisces or a female, you are meant to be with a queen or a king. You're not meant to be with a queen or a king that acts like a page. Do you understand what that means? A page is a child. A queen is a warrior. And you are meant to be with a warrior looking at the same direction. That man is not looking nowhere else. That woman is not looking nowhere else. Both of them are looking at the same direction. Both of them are serious this time. It ain't no plan. I am serious. Let me tell you something. The person that you meant to meet is going to be about you. And you are going to be about them. It ain't nobody else in this picture. It ain't a third party. It ain't them telling you about they tribes and who they with and who this. This person is going to make you their everything. You're going to meet a king or a queen, not a fucking page. This person wants to explore the world with you. They want to travel the world with you. They want to live with you, for you. They love you. They truly love you. And they will do anything for you. They're not afraid to love. This is the one for you. And both of y'all are warriors. I mean, it's like the emperor and the empress. There ain't nothing small around you. Both of y'all are warriors. All right? It ain't nobody can come between you and them. You are a warrior, damn it. All right? Get it right, Pisces. And it says, it's your call. Get up. You're being tested. Get up. Don't let nobody stop you. Because everything you've been through, Pisces, it is a test. Okay? It's a test. You're supposed to go through it. Okay? All right, tell me, Spirit, what else we need to know. Give me one card. One card, Spirits. Give me one card, Spirit. Spirits, give me one card. Kindness. Let me tell you something. No matter how bad people treat you, I don't give a damn if you've been to war with people, right? It don't matter how bad they treat you. It don't matter what they did to you. It doesn't matter because it's in the past. We must leave it in the past. And I must learn that. I must learn to leave everything in the past, the people, the problems, everything in the past because you can't grow. That's the past. The past is the past. That's why it's the past and the future. The future is the growth. The past is what already happened that you can't change. Okay? You're coming in from night to day. You're walking. It's a new world. Come on now. This world belongs to you. It's your world. Look at the heart. Somebody is going to love you. But most of all, it's self-love. And I'm introducing the self-love candle. Out of all my candles, out of every one of my candles that I can make, and you ask me for anything, I can make it for you. But guess what? This candle right here is my best candle I will ever make. Because it's self-love. It's you and you. Pisces. It is nothing like loving yourself. Please understand, it's you. It's only you. And when you learn to stand up and love yourself, you will find everything you ever needed. Because everything is in you. And it starts with you. It's self-love. The problem is, Pisces, we are the hearts. We're the cups. We give, we love, but now we learn. We need to give ourselves what we gave the world for years and years and years and years and days and months and hours and seconds. Always. Nothing like self-love. Look, the thing is, look at the skies. It's pink, white. Look at the clouds. Look at the sun. It's a full moon today. Rituals. Do it. Write it. Send it. Sell it. Send that shit. Sell that in the water, in the oceans, in the rivers. Burn it. Send it to the universe. Everything is your world. Treat it like it's your world. What if being kind to yourself really could be a change? Everything. What if being kind to yourself really could change everything in your life? What if being kind to yourself could change everything? It ain't a what if. It is that. I just said that. And these cards are flying out because it's like God is speaking to you, directly to you. Energy is everything. Look your cups, look at your sleeve. You have nothing but love around you. You've been through everything. You got to look at the cup outside of it. It got the stars. It got lightning. It got the world. And inside is everything. Your sleeves, pink, so beautiful. Nails are done. You're looking beautiful. You just gorgeous. I just love you. And if nobody said how much they love you, I want to tell you, I love you. I love you. I want the best for you. Stop trying to please everyone else. I just said that. Everyone is a whole lot of people. Everyone is everybody. Stop trying to please everybody because everyone is everybody. They didn't take nobody out of the equation. They said everybody. Stop trying to please everybody. The world. Protect your energy. Don't let no one get to your energy and stop pleasing the world, honey. Then it said right here, I'm going to read it again. What if being kind to yourself really could change everything? It keeps saying you got a queen and a king there, okay? Oh my God, I just can't stop. It's talking to me. The spirits, God is talking to you today. Listen to me. Self-worth. Self-worth. That elevator, honey, the elevator went all the way to the top. That elevator. God called you, get on that elevator because it's taking you all the way to the top. To the top, boo-boo. It didn't say what number to the top. It said self-love, self-worth. It took you there. It's calling you to get on that elevator and go all the way to the top. You have nothing but stars, and your elevator is going all the way to the top. And it started, look at this. It started small. You all the way to, look at that red, juicy heart, self-worth. You got what you believe you deserve. You got what, don't be afraid because you got what you believe that you deserve. And it's telling you, you literally got. God said got. He didn't say give it. He said got what you deserve. It's time to rise, to raise your standards. Raise your standards. You got it, what you deserve. It's time for you to raise your standards. That's what it said. You go from here all the way to the top. Self-worth. And I woke up and it said, get up. And I said, all right, I got up. I didn't even question it. I got my ass up. I didn't even question it. Damn it, if I look like this in the morning, yes. It's like I feel it in my bones. I just feel it. It's like I got this feeling that I can't stop feeling. I got this feeling that says, damn it, girl, you are beautiful. You are everything. Do you understand? Oh my God. You looking more beautiful than ever. I feel like I've never felt in my whole entire life. Damn, it's beautiful. The Three of Pentacles working together. Someone is sculpting you, honey. They. Let me tell you something. This person works so hard. The Three of Pentacles works so hard. Everything around you. Okay? Check it out. The person that is, it's like, let me tell you something. You are perfect. It ain't nothing about you that's fucked up. You're perfect. They're making a sculpture out of you. You know what that means, right? A sculpture out of you. Honey, it's like people are going to watch and see you and will forever remember you. They're taking notes about this sculpture. Look at your hands. Look at the way look at you. Look how you are. Just take a good look. Look at the way they sculpture you. Look at this man has been working. Oh my God, Lord Jesus. God, the universe has been working on you, telling you, you can do this. You are being sculptured perfectly. There's nothing wrong with you. You rise. You rise, honey. You rise. It's like you rise. You're like, yes, you rise, damn it. They taking notes. Somebody's watching. So careful. You got the ball is in your hand. The ball is in your hand. Breathe. Breathe it in. Somebody here is scorching you. Somebody knows. They scorching the fuck out of you. They making you perfect. They making you solid as a rock. You're not built to know anything. You are solid. People are watching you. Honey, you just like people watching you sitting there like, yes. And you got the world in your hand and somebody is taking notes of everything you're seeing and you're doing. They're so in tune with you. They see your work. They see the work that has been put in. It took a lot for you to be where you at. People don't understand it. They can't believe it. They're taking notes of you. They're like, what the fuck? Yes. 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 They can't believe it. They what? It's like you got the world in your hand and God is showing you, damn it, look at you. You are being let me tell you, you are just, God is coaching you so good and so well. And you're going to be working with somebody. Somebody want to work with you. You're going to be growing tremendously. People are looking at, it's like they looking at you. They don't even know what to say. All right? Because it took you a long time to get here. And everything you saying, people never heard it before. You know, it's like you've been there many times before, but people never heard or seen you right now at your best. And your best is yet to come. They just getting little clips of you. It's like you are ready for the world. It's like they honey, check it out. You see, it's work being done on you, right? You're almost completed. Look at the ground. All that work was being done to you. And then you're sitting there with the ball in your hand, and this person is taking notes of you. Every little bit of you. They watching, they looking, they want to work. It's like they are writing everything, they're watching everything, they writing everything down that you're saying and doing. Damn, they want to talk to you, they want to work with you, they want to be a part of whatever it is. Whatever it is, honey. Somebody here don't give a shit. You want to hear something? I'm gonna say something to you, and I'm gonna say this because I said this to Miss Wanda, and she's getting a reading today from me. Check it out, Wanda. And I'm saying this to you. Miss Wanda met an Aquarius. She met an Aquarius. And what's crazy is she went to a party, right? After being tore down from this other person that she liked, but he had trying to put her in a three. He had somebody, he wants somebody, but that person didn't want him. So he was trying to play with her, to whatever, but he got somebody else. And she went to this party. She was down and she went to this party with her family, her cousin or somebody invited her. And the Aquarius that met, they know each other, family and everything. It was bizarre, right? She was telling me. She was so happy. And I kept saying, oh my God, you met a what? An Aquarius? You better be careful. Because that's the only people I always had in my life. And I kept telling her, be careful, be careful, be careful. But this Aquarius that she talks to me about, I never explored anything like that Aquarius. Believe me, my mother was an Aquarius. My baby father's Aquarius. The man that was in my life that I've known all my life since I was young, we both was young, is an Aquarius. And she's telling me all this. I said, that don't sound like no Aquarius. And let me tell you, it just hit me that God says it's change to be made. And that Aquarius that she got, everything she say, he is, because he met the right one. He's going to treat her royalty. And that's what he did. And I couldn't believe it. I said, I've never experienced that with an Aquarius. And she's experiencing love because she's the one for him. You understand? She met her beyond twin flame, beyond soulmate. God put this man in her life. Perfect. That's what I'm going to say. Miss Wanda, I'm talking to you. It's a lot of creativity here. A lot of adventures. A new life, a new opportunity. Manifesting. It's like she manifested this. He wanted it. He said he ain't been with somebody in years. Never committed. To no one like that. Wow. taking shape. Everything is taking shape. Like you being molded. You're there. Prosperity. Everything you can imagine is yours. A new expectation. Okay? Circumstances. Looking positive. Happiness with your social status. Established security. You are experiencing everything in well-being. Everything is going to be well done for you. Everything's going to work out your way. Accomplishing skills and creativity. Learning, processing, working well, and learning, okay, and processing all of this work. Well, you learning it. It's a skill that you had to learn. And pay off. It's something that's going to pay off huge for you. Huge, okay? It's a payoff. A time for you to create something new, all right? You are on a new stage in your life. You are, strategizing how you want things to be. You building. You manifested this, okay? You are rewarded for this. Blossom taking shape. Restoration, something coming together. Somebody wants to come together with you. Planning. They're like overseeing all. It's like it's you and a person. You're reading it. It's about you and a person. And I'm going to say it again. You got a queen and a king here with swords. And I can keep saying it. I don't know what it is. But somebody is saying, I don't give a fuck what nobody say. I don't care anymore. I'm going to be true. And I'm going after Pisces. Because I know with this Pisces, I am a warrior. Because she's a warrior like me. And they don't give a damn anymore. They willing to leave everything behind to come and be with you as one. In a good, beautiful foundation. I feel like this person is giving you their all finally. Damn. This person been carrying a lot of weight. A lot of weight. They've been doing a lot of work. It's like God is telling you, let all your burdens down. Let it go. Somebody here is carrying a lot of burdens and it said, let it go because it's weighing you down. Let all that. The Ten of Wands is letting go of everything and walking away and just letting everything be. It's like you leaving a castle, everything behind. You've been working hard here. Hard. You've been working hard. It's like you got Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo. You got Aries, Sagittarius, or Leo. You've been working hard. You've been carrying all of this in front of you. Okay? It's the 10. You go from the 3 to a 10 of Pentacles. Okay? From the 3 to a 10 of Wands. From the Pentacles to a 1. All right? Let me tell you something. You looking really good. Really good. So keep on moving. Don't let nothing stop you. You may cry a little bit, but it's all right. It's saying no matter what. God is saying, don't worry about it. I got this. Right? So you got completion. You're adopted to this new world, to this new life. A journey that's ended. It had to end. The journey had to end. Whatever it was, it ended. All that shit you was going through, it ended. All right? A good return from all of this hard work you put into. Harving. Always ending. Let me tell you something. Whatever it was to this person, whatever it is, it's an ending day. Always, the way they act. Everything is new. It's a journey that's ending. And a harbor in a new way. It's a new way. It's a new horizon. This person is like, man, I'm putting everything down. I don't give a fuck what nobody think. I don't care what nobody think of me. I don't care what I said. I don't care what it was. I'm going for Pisces all the way. I don't care if I look like a liar. I don't care what people think anymore. I don't live for them. I live for me. And somebody is letting all their burdens down to come to you. All right? A time to take hold of what has been accomplished. The fruits of your labors are enjoyed. A gathering of all that's been done, okay? Work at a level is completed. Time to move to other challenges. You completed, you letting go of the old, you coming into the new. Your inspiration will keep things moving well. Okay, it's a decision here that needs to be made. Okay, resolved. Okay, a full cycle's coming together. Partnership, wholesome, communication, everything is unfolding. Rewards, finishing, harbor, celebration. Okay, gatherings. Okay, it's like something here just made a turn in someone's life, and this person saying, I choose you. I want you. I don't give a damn what I said, you said, what people think. I don't give a shit. I'm willing to work with you. It's a king and a queen, and they both look in the same direction. It ain't nobody else but them looking forward, working together. It's like they taking every note that you saying down. You have so many people coming your way, honey. It's like you just looking beautiful. Okay, tell me more about this. Not 10 of Wands. To 6 of Swords, you had to move. You in the soul. Look at this. You can't make this up. Look at this. You on a boat. You and a person. A king and a queen. Swords, honey. You like we can battle anything together. All right, both of y'all are the shits. All right, but you move. You have to leave shit that was just toxic. You have to leave people behind you. You have to move on. I mean, maybe you went through a situation with your kids. Okay, maybe you had things going on with your kids in a relationship, whatever. But it seemed like you just saying, "Come on, let's get the fuck out of here and leave all that shit behind. None of that matters. I'm in a new place in my life. I have decided to leave for real. I can no longer live this life. I can't live it. You saying I gotta get out of here. It's not even none of this. All of these burdens, everything is an ending to everything you ever been through. You are stepping into a whole new beginning. The 2 of Cups, racial, biracial, whatever it is. But you coming together, it's here, it's a promise. It's love. Okay? It's somebody here that wants to come to you. And they're gonna make you, they're gonna love you. Love you like crazy. Temperance. Okay, Sagittarius. You got infinity all over you. God, this is God's working in you like crazy. You got the Queen of Swords looking. You have so much compassion. You have patience. You tolerate it. It's like you looking and you already know everything. You don't have to seek it. You already know it. Why? Because, right? The 2 of Cups is love, honey. You got nothing but love here. Water. It's like the 2 of Cups is telling you, honey, you have nothing but love. All right? Partnership. Commitment. Okay? Wholesome. A trust. Mutual understanding. Somebody is a vision, is hope. It's this everything. Unspoken words. Act on. Okay, wholesome. Peace. Serenity. Secure. The deep bond between 2 minds. A union. Some. A spiritual connection. I said it is a spiritual connection. Because the next card, that's what you got to look behind you. This is spiritual guidance. This is meant to be. This is sent to you from God, from your angel. It's like everybody is, the spirit world, whoever passed over is 100%. Somebody's family, whoever passed away, they know. They said, you got to make it right this time. It's not right or wrong. It ain't who said what. It's about happiness. Honey, it's somebody here that's saying a commitment from the heart. A good choice are clearly seen. A decision is made to move forward from the heart. A bond. Exhibitions. Okay. A new awareness of understanding of another. Okay. A mutual cooperation. Okay. To a common goal. Honey, you are just blowing up. Damn. And that's what it's about. It's about that. Haven't you been waiting for this to happen for so long? You have been waiting for this. It was a long time that you've been here waiting on this. It took you a long time to get here, but you're here. And that's all that matters, that you are here. Flowing, going with the flow, endlessly. Grind spirit, a high power understanding. All of this is you centering yourself. A sense of free floating inspiration can be yours. The power of knowledge, the full potential of self. That's all I've been teaching y'all. That's all I've been saying to y'all. That inspiration, awareness, a belief is capitalized. All looks well. Turn a true spiritual, eternal happiness, eternal peace and rest. Life flows in a stronger direction within you. The life, everything in you is what you believe, is what you didn't let nobody stop your belief. You kept moving on because God been working on you. And all he asked you to do is be kind. All right? Even if somebody said whatever they said, God said, don't worry about that. I got that. You put it in my hand, I will control it. They're not bigger than me. I'm bigger than them. I'm the boss. And that's what God said. God said, he's the boss. They not the boss. They can do whatever they want to you. But God has the last word. As the Queen of Swords, patient, tolerance. You've been through a lot. You've been having patience. You've been tolerating a whole lot of people. Okay? Status, sound security, compassion, judgment, fair elements. Okay? A final decision is being made with authority. Okay? Responsibility, decision maker, a final say, fairness, equal, grounded, balance, respect. You demand it all. High rank, promotion, respect, status, appointed position. Someone is being huge here. Strategize gracefully, understanding, trusting. Okay? Decisions are made with compassion and fairness. The good of others is taken in consideration. The bigger picture is seen and finalized. Seeing things from all sides, circumstances, and knowledge before decision making. You are being fair. You're doing everything fair. A fair and just solution is found. You finally came where it ain't no more fighting. Nothing is worth, this is too much. So you finally come to an understanding with somebody. You finally come to this understanding. Finally, everything is right. Everything is perfectly well. You finally came to an understanding. All right? Somebody here finally seen you for who you are and know that you are the realest bitch. You the realest. What? Honey, it's like you let all your guards down for this person's letting everything down for you. The Four of Wands. This person is, honey, is look how messy this man was. Look how messy. Look all that shit. So fucking messy. But look at you. They see you as their queen. They realize now you are the queen. You are their queen. Some people try to fight the feeling because they probably never felt it or they scared that they're going to get, that things ain't going to work out. But now they know. They said, shit, Pisces ain't playing. Pisces is serious. And if I don't act on this from the heart, from a good place, I'm going to lose out on Pisces. you come to this calmness. It's like the Four Wands, all right? Calm, safe, unmoving. It's like you are ready for this. You're not, you just, they can't move you. It's like, you like, what the fuck, you know? It's a planning adjustment, stillness, rituals. You're doing rituals. You're so calm and collected. You cool as fuck. You know what I mean? In every place in your life. All right? You organize. You know what you want. You stay, you're stable in the spirit. And you're clear mind. Everything is clear in the spirit and your mind. You see things for what it is and you know it's for you. You're following your intuitions. You know it. Safe and secure situations remain intact. Safe and secure in a situation remains intact. A time of joy and celebration. Support is there for you. The time is right to remain as is. Moving would be challenged right now. A time to interact is best for now, honey. This person, they were so fucking messy with you. They were messy as fuck. But now, look at that. Look at the table. Just look at this fucking mess. Messy as fuck. But look. It's like, oh my God, I can't stop. It's like somebody knew that you was that queen. That you was their queen all along. All along. It's like they ready. It's like something huge here. And this person was so fucking messy with you. Damn, it's like they was messy. It's messy around them. They just messy. It's like messy places. Like, I'm not lying. Whoever this person was living messy, is messy, and all that. But they see you as the queen. The Wheel of Fortune, they decide to move forward to you. They like, I don't care. It don't matter what Pisces. I don't care if I look like a punk. I don't care if whatever people think of me. I don't care. I'm moving forward and leaving this mess behind. I want you, Pisces. You are the queen. Can't nobody be like you, Pisces. They don't care. They moving forward towards you. They're not even trying to be controlling anymore. They opening their heart fully to you. And this is about to happen. This person has really know your worth and they know who you are. Okay? I'm going to say it again. This person is bored as fuck without you. They missing you. Look all the books. It's like this person is so smart. You know, to me, this looked like, I don't know, he could have been a lawyer or something, a judge, whatever, but or something. He's around a lot of books. He's so fucking intelligent. You've been studying. This person been studying your fucking ass off. This person is bored. They see this angle as this person. This person see things one way. I guess they realize one way ain't always right. They like, I don't care. They bored without you. They thinking about it. They are so bored without you, Pisces. Just look at all of this fucking books and clutter. It's like they can't look. It's so much to learn and so much to do. But look at the cups behind them. They got cups in front of them, cups behind them. They looking at you like, oh my God. It's like they cups are all there. They so bored. They don't realize they have everything they want in front of them. Okay? They must move forward. Like it said, they said, I can't keep being bored like this. I have fun with Pisces. I'm not even going to sit here and lie. I have a lot of fun with Pisces. She may not be everything that I can't sculpt her to be perfect, but she's everything I want and need in my life. All right? Pisces, you got a beautiful reading here. Things are unfolding and it's saying be calm, be patient. Do not panic. you've been put through a test. And the test is not to fold. The test is to move along. The test is to love yourself more than you can love anyone else. You gave enough love to everybody. Give it to yourself now. Honey, you don't went. The elevator has went all the way to the top. You are on the top, honey. Do you understand? Somebody wants to be this in your life. You got a warrior. A real fucking warrior. You may have braids in your hair. He may have a beard, red, whatever it is. He's a warrior. The waters are calm as fuck. It says, answer the call, explore, travel, lives. Honey, you are serious. Things are looking so beautiful for you. Yesterday was a hectic day. Today is a better day. And it's like you moving up. Don't stop. You are there. You made it there. Ain't nothing gonna take you back to where you was. Nothing. Nothing. Self-love is everything. Self-love candle is every damn thing. More than any candle that I make, self-love is number one. All right, Pisces, we'll talk later. Bye. If you need a reading, get it from me or someone else. This is a general reading. It's telling you a lot about this person and about you. But most of all, it's saying that you are number one. And you got to learn. You are supposed to leave everything that wasn't behind. Okay? You got that? Bye.